What is up, boys? Today, I'm going to be cleaning this absolutely trashed pair of Air Max Pluses. What is up and welcome back to the channel today, boys. We have another video for you guys today, and it's something that I haven't done in a while, which is a restoration. I'm really excited to do this video because I can never stand when there's just a pair of shoes trashed this badly. So I'm really looking forward to cleaning these up, getting them back to their prime condition. Gotta give a shout out to my boy Eliu for letting me clean these for him, which honestly is a big favor for him, but at the same time, I appreciate you letting me use these sneakers for a video. I don't really think this video is gonna be too difficult to do. The mesh should be pretty easy to clean with the sneaker solution I have. And other than that, we're probably gonna be repainting the midsole and some of the leather portions as well. But if you're at home watching this and you have a pair that looks just like this, I highly recommend that you just watch this video because it's gonna be very helpful to you if you're trying to clean a pair that is in this kind of condition. I'm gonna get you guys squared away in a minute and show you how to do this. First things first, we're gonna lay down a towel on our table for all the excess water and dirt and everything. Now we're gonna fill up this bowl with some hot water. We're also gonna be using our Crep Protect bristle brush and our Crep Protect Cure solution. I just wanna show you guys how absolutely mangled these sneakers have been. I mean, my buddy put these through the works, mate. Both of them, I mean, this one's definitely a lot worse with that mud or dirt stain. This one's still pretty well stained. This is gonna be too hard, but it's still gonna take some work to get these back in tip-top shape. Before we start cleaning, we're gonna take out these laces. All right, boys, we're all set to go, so let's start cleaning. As you guys can see, that one small cleaning made quite the difference on these. Even though these ones were a lot cleaner than these ones were, these were a lot dirtier. You can still see quite the difference than before. So that's looking a lot better than it was. And we got a decent amount of stains out of it. There's still some in there, but it's looking a lot better than before. We're just gonna go ahead and go over these one more time with the product just to make sure we've cleaned them as thoroughly as possible. Alright, so the shoe is nice and clean right now. So the next step is gonna be repainting pretty much the entire shoe. This is how the shoes are looking after the first coat of paint. Honestly, they're not looking too bad right now. Still a little dirty, but we're gonna fix that. Now we're gonna put on the second coat of paint and check out how they're looking. cleaning these filthy laces. Alright boys, the shoes are done, so let's put the laces back in and check out the finished result. Let's take a look at the before and after.
Nigga, you played that boy.
Obviously, this isn't the best restoration in the world, considering these are still pretty gray. But at the same time, sneakers made of this material and color are going to be very hard to clean, regardless of if you have a kit or not. Whether it's got mesh like this shoe, prime knit, fly knit, whatever the case may be. If it gets stained, it's probably going to stay stained. The only other way that I could have whitened this shoe more is if I had bleached the entire shoe, and I just really didn't feel like doing that. So it is what it is. That is going to do it for the video. I appreciate all of you who stuck through to the end. If you enjoyed watching or took anything from this video, please do me a favor and leave a like on this video. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, be sure to subscribe for more of my upcoming videos and check out my channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, boys, this is Cash Corp signing off. Bye, boys.